Hurricane Studio 1/6 scale Lebron James statue.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
So, ito yung statue from Taiwan yata gumawa nito. Mga Taiwanese sculptor. Gumawa sila ng statue ni Lebron James. Ayan. Ito ay hirap pala nito.
Yan na.
Help! Help!
Yan. Oha.
Oh my God! Wow! O ayan, buksan na natin kung ano ang laman nito sa loob para makita nyo na. Assistant!
Wow.
Ayan. Kailangan natin ng assistant lagi. Malaki to. Hindi mamalaki. 1/6 So, ito yung ano niya. Packaging niya. So, parang ginaya sa XM Studio na packaging. May parang belt para secure pag sinip yung item.
Wow.
Cameraman, focus! So guys, ito yung kanyang ulo. Kasama yung katawan. So kahiwala yung kamay niya. So ito yung dalawang kamay. Mamaya ikakabit natin parehas. Yan. Mamaya nyo makikita yung itsura niyan. Tapos ito yung base. Yan. Maapoy-apoy. Handa. Tapos may flag na kasama. Yan no, Lakers flag. Tapos parang may free na parang jersey niya. Parang ano, dito naka-label yung number. So ito, number, buksan natin yung loob. 11 out of 340 worldwide. Yung copies niya, so 340 pieces lang. Not sure lang kung itong black is 340 kasi may white version ito. So, yung kinuha ko yung black version. So, buuin muna natin. Okay? Bye!
A few moments later.
Yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. I put it down from the whip to my diamonds. I'm in black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
So, ayan guys, nabuo na namin yung statue. So, this is 1/6 scale. Akala ko nung una, nung pre-order, 1/4 scale siya. Yung pala 1/6 scale. Akala ko mas malaki siya. Pero okay naman, maganda yung kinalabasan ng statue. So, yung mga parts, magnetic pala siya. Like yung mga arms. Yung bola, magnetic din. So, eto yung jersey nila nung finals. This is the Black Mamba jersey. This is the jersey to commemorate the death of Kobe Bryant. So, yan yung jersey nila. Makikita nyo yung details. Yung number 2 na nakalagay dun sa jersey is the jersey number of Gigi Bryant. So, ito yung suot nila ng finals. So, akala natin magcha-champion na sila, pero natalo sila nung Heat.
Green into the hands of LeBron James. Butler on him. Green coming up to set a screen. James goes the other way. Drives down the lane. Back out to Green. Green for three. Off the mark. No good. Marquise Morris has it. Throws it inside and throws it out of bounds. With 2.2 remaining. Every punch and refuse to surrender. There'll be a game 6.
Nagkaroon pa ng isang game. Tapos ang suot nilang jersey is yung white. So, ito yung signature dunk post ni Lebron. Medyo nahirapan lang ako ikabit yung flag. Ang hirap hanapin ng butas. Pero andun pala siya sa may ilalim. Tapos, ayun. So, ayan na. Ganda. Sulit. For 15,000 pesos, sulit na yan. Ang resale value niya according sa supplier ngayon is 25,000 pesos. So, tumaas na yung value niya. Kasi nga limited pieces lang siya. So guys, pag nagustuhan yung video na to, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kid Lightning PH Official. Pwede nyo din i-follow ang aming toy page, Toys R Crack. Pwede kayong umorder ng mga toys doon. So, see you guys next time. Until the next unboxing. Bye!
Yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. I put it down from the whip to my diamonds. I'm in black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Black stripe, yellow paint. I hear they scared of it, but them pros ain't. Soon as I hit the club, look at them face. Hit the pedal once, make the floor shake. Sway inside, my engine roar.